Hello, my name is Raj. Today, let's look into the correct pronunciations of 50 commonly used words in British accent. So let's begin. Common, common. Over, over. Then. People, people. Get, into, ear, them, than, also, vegetable, cucumber, tomato, cauliflower, spinach, coriander, potato, carrot, brinjal, radish, gadget, mobile, laptop, charger, keyboard, pen drive, switch, camera, speaker, watch, emotion, happy, sad, kind, angry, stiff, tired, excited, surprise, beautiful, delicious, furniture, sofa, chair, particular, exercise, routine, shower, flower. Thank you. I hope you all learned well. Like, comment, and follow for more such amazing content from IELTS Craft by Leapscholar.